Hello everyone, welcome to Career Saga YouTube channel. I'm Siddhant and today we are going to talk about the step-by-step guide of how to become a product manager, right? But before we start, I'm aiming to get 1000 subscriber on this channel. So help me achieving that number, right? So let's start. Let's start the step-by-step uh, uh, guide, right? So if you have ever wondered how to break into product management and land your dream role, you are in the right place. Okay, today I will share a clear step-by-step roadmap to become a product manager. Along with, I'll give you some pro tips to stand out in this competitive field. So let's start. Okay. So I have started this entire section into uh, five to six steps. Okay. So step one is understand the role of the product manager. First thing, uh, first thing first, you need to understand what is what is product management is all about. Product manager or PM is responsible for driving the success of the product. Okay. And you will be identifying the customer needs of working with a cross-functional team like engineering, design team, marketing team, and ensure the product delivers some value to the customer while meeting the business goals, obviously, right? So if uh, so it's a mix of strategy, communication, and execution. Okay. So if that excites you, you are on the right track. Okay. Product management is for you, right? So pro tip for understanding the product management role is check out the company's job description. Okay. Job description of the product manager. You can get it from LinkedIn, Glassdoor, different platform, but you have to read the job description. Okay, then what all the roles and responsibility that job description has mentioned. Okay, and what all the key skills they want. Okay, so based on that you have to and that then comes to step two, that based on those things you have to build your skills, right? And these skills are generally divided, we can cover it in three ways. Okay, first is technical skill, second is analytical skill, and third is soft skill. So technical skill, you don't need to be an engineer, but understand how tech works, right? It's really important. Learn learn about this about software development process, basic coding concept. Understand some tools like Jira, Figma, Balasmic, different kind of tools you can explore, right? Then comes to analytical skill, right? PM make lot of decision, and that decision should be backed with uh, data, right? So you have to have uh, means you should be comfortable uh, in tools like Excel, SQL, Google Analytics, so that you can analyze the metrics and trends. Okay, and so that accordingly you can take the decision as a product manager, right? Then last is third skill you can work on is communication, leadership, and problem solving skills, right? So you often mediate between teams and align everyone in the product vision, right? So your communication and leadership skills and problem solving skill is very required. Okay, so pro tip on this one is you don't need to invest a lot of money, okay, to learn these skills. I would personally suggest you access some free resources uh, on Coursera, Udemy, or on YouTube as well. Okay, there are a lot of product management books as well on. You can figure it out on Amazon. Okay, so step three. Okay, uh, how to gain experience. You have to gain a relevant experience. Okay, so uh, so how one should get that experience. So if you are already working, okay, um, if you are working in some marketing, if you're part of marketing team, sales team, or software development team, look for the opportunity to collaborate with the product manager of your companies, means the product manager of your respective companies, right? Because that is the easy and accessible way you will able to understand your product, your company's product, okay, and how product manager works in your company, right? So understand their day-to-day task, what roles and responsibility they play, what education background they come from, right? What skill they have, whom they interact with in your company. So figure it out, and that's how you can leverage your current skill and get a soft product development, product management skill as well. So you will be leveraging your current skill and you will be adding additional skill in your kitty, right? Then second would be internship or entry level roles, and it is more helpful for the fresher or college students, or uh, who can get into the internship. They can figure it out, they can find the internship entry level roles by applying roles like product analyst or associate product managers. And this will really help you get your foot in the door, right? So third is you can have a side hustle, a side project. You can find it out, build or manage a small project, and it could be a personal app or a website, or even helping any startup. These will also showcase your PM skills, right? So I'll give you some tips on this one as well. So it's not only about how you can uh, gain the experience, but you have to also showcase these on your resume. Okay, so it's not about you have handled this project, or you have worked as a on this project. It will not. You have to show the measurable impact. Okay, like you have once you have worked on that project, you have improved the engagement or increased the user engagement, or you have streamlined the process of that particular company or that particular department. So you have to somewhere add those skills in your CV, and during the interviews you can put the story behind. You can put the story up front. Yeah. So now step four, right? Uh, See, I think this is not relevant to only to the product management, but it's applicable for all the jobs. Okay, networking and learning from other is very important. Okay, you can't overstate. Networking can't be overstated, right? So join product management community on LinkedIn, attend some online webinar or seminar, or some local meetups. There are multiple meetups happen in different cities in our country, right? You can find it out on LinkedIn and join that local meetup. Reach out to current product manager for informational interviews. Okay, ask them about their journeys, what their role, what all their role in their company. Okay, so seek some advice, find your mentor. Okay, so even I can guide you, you can reach me out, but you have to find someone who can guide you. Okay, so again, the tip for this one is you have to figure it out, the community. You have to find the community on LinkedIn or whatever forum you get it. Okay, found some get some mentor, connect with different people, connect with like-minded people as well on LinkedIn, Twitter, and gain some valuable insight, right? Step five is obviously you work so much, and again you have to portray those skills on your resume and interviews, right? So when you are ready to apply for any company's interview or openings, you have to update your resume highlighting PM relevant skill and experiences, right? During interview, focus on storytelling, right? Walk through your past project using STAR method. So STAR method is S for situation, T for task, A for action, R for result, right? So you have to structure your story in a STAR methodology. Okay. Practice some common interview question like uh, how would you improve a product you use daily, right? Okay, so they can give you, they can ask simply which product you often use. Okay, so must be you will be saying Zomato or Amazon, right? Flipkart. So they will ask a follow-up question then, what improvement you want to do on that product, or they can ask uh, improvement on their company's product as well. So they can ask the recommendation from your side, right? So then there could be another question: how you prioritize task of new features, right? So these are the some question means common question most of the PM interview uh, covers, right? So mock interviews. So how you will practice this? You need to practice these kind of question with someone. Okay, so again, you mock interviews with your mentors or the network which you will increase, right? Or with your friends, you can ask you can ask for mock interviews so that you can polish your responses accordingly. Okay. Then step six, and this is the last one, is stay updated and keep learning, right? Even after you land a PM role, uh, learning doesn't stop. Okay, so stay updated with the latest trends, okay, tools and the methodologies in the product management. Read blogs, right? Listen to the podcast. Consider the advanced certification to grow in your career. So, so that's how you have to build, and that's how you can transition from your current role to the product management role. And it will take some time, but you have to be consistent, right? So yeah, so there uh, we are completing this roadmap to become a product manager, and remember this journey and persistent means remember it's a journey, okay, and you have to persistence on this. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is exploring product management. Let me know in the comment if you have any question or topics you would like to me to cover next. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.